Hello everyone, this is Prabhashri, Assistant Professor of Mathematics Department. So in this video we are going to see about a DT based video. My student will continue this.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Mitra and I am from Department of IT and I am going to explain this sum. And the question is, the rectangular open box at the top is to have the volume of 32 cc. Find the dimension of the box, the required least material for its construction. They given their volume, which is 32 cc, and then they ask to find us the dimension of the box. Now, the surface area formula is xy plus 2yz plus 4zx.
What is the formula for a rectangular surface area?
The general formula is 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xzx. We have that they given that open box, so we cancel out this 2 and we get this formula. Then they given that the volume, which is known as 32. Now we have to find the pi. Pi நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறப்போ this இந்த சைடு இருக்க லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு இருக்க xyz வந்துட்டு அந்த பக்கம் வந்து இல்ல இந்த பக்கம் அந்த 32 வந்து இந்த பக்கம் மைனஸ்ல வந்துரும். இப்போ நம்ம
we are having two functions. One function is xy plus 2y plus 2z. Then another function is xyz. So we are considering that as a xyz minus 32, which is the pi. Continue.
Now we have to add this two function by using another one, which is known as lambda.
Here what is lambda? Lambda is a constant value.
And here we have two functions, right? Now we are adding these two and we have to find dou f. We differentiate with respect to x, y, z and lambda by this function. So we have to find that dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z and dou f by dou lambda. Now we are first taking dou f by dou x. Now we have to differentiate this function respect to x. While differentiating like this, we have x இருக்க டேர்ம்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் நம்ம டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணுவோம். அப்படின்னா இந்த இடத்துல x இருக்கா, ஸோ x வந்து 1 ஆயிடும். இது இன்டூ டேர்ம்ல இருக்கனால another இருக்க வேரியபிள் வந்துட்டு அப்படியே கான்ஸ்டன்ட்டா நமக்கு வந்துடும். ஸோ இங்க வந்து என்னங்க x இல்ல, ஸோ we don't have this term. Next one இங்க x இருக்கு, ஸோ we have this term. இதுலயும் x இருக்கு, இது இன்டூல இருக்கனால இதோட வேல்யூ 1. ஸோ இன்டூ பண்ணும்போது இந்த டேர்ம் வந்து 0 ஆயிடும். இங்க x இருக்கனால இது differentiating this equation respective to x. So நம்ம இந்த term வந்து 1 ஆயிடும். So 1 into y, இங்க வந்துட்டு இந்த term 0 ஆயிடும். ஏன்னா வந்து there is no x in that. So this term will become 2 into z and this term will become lambda yz. Why? Because this term is a constant, so that will become a 0. After that, we differentiating with dy. On that, we get x plus 2z plus lambda x into z. Like similarly, we have to do both the functions. Dou z and dou y, dou lambda. Now we have to put 0 for these equations. For the first equation, dou f by dou x, we have to put 0 on putting 0, we get this equation. இங்க இருக்க இந்த டேர்ம் வந்து இந்த பக்கம் மைனஸ்ல வரும். மைனஸ்ல வரப்போ இந்த பக்கம் வந்துட்டு y into z டேர்ம் இருக்கு. So we have to divided by yz on both the sides. While we dividing like this, we get this equation 1 by z plus 2 by y is equal to minus lambda. We considering this as a first equation. After that, in the same way, we have to do this all the functions. Second equation நீங்க வந்துட்டு அதாவது dou f by dou y நீங்க வந்து differentiate பண்றது equal to 0 கொடுக்கும்போது you will get this second equation and similarly we get the next four functions. Now we have to substitute fourth equation, which is known as 1 by z is equal to minus lambda is equal to minus y. We have 1 by z, right? So we have to substitute this equation in the second one from this place, on this place. In the place நம்ம substitute பண்றப்போ minus lambda minus 2 by y is equal to plusல இருக்கு. இந்த இடத்துக்கு பதிலா தான் வந்துட்டு நம்ம இங்க இருக்க 1 by z சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் அப்போ நம்ம சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணுறப்போ we will get minus lambda minus 2 by y plus 2 by x is equal to minus lambda. இப்படி நடக்கும்போது இந்த பக்கம் இருக்க minus lambda will go on the right side. While going on right side, it will become plus, right? On that time, this 2 will cancel out and we have this fifth equation. Minus 2 by y plus 2 by x is equal to 0. We have the similar equations like this. See, third one is similar to this. So, we solving those two equations, we can get the x value. And by solving this, we get the x is equal to minus 4 by lambda.